Good day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself to your family. I hope you are in good condition while watching this video. I am Jean Alirite, 36 years old, high school graduate. I have 4 children. The ages are 18 years old, 17 years old, 14 years old, and 11 years old. I live in Quezon City, Philippines. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am the 3rd child of the family. I am honest, trustworthy, patient, friendly, caring, responsible, and a hardworking person. My hobbies are singing, sewing, cooking, and playing with my dog. I worked before in Kuwait for 2 years as domestic helper in 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. The ages are 2 years old, 1 year old, and newborn. My duties in the house are cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, cooking, and washing the dishes, and taking care of the children. My relationship in my previous employer are good. I treated them as my own family, and they treated me as one of the member of the family. I hope you choose me. I promise to do my best to my duties and responsibilities. I will love your children if you have. I hope to finish my contract and renew it as long as you want me. Thank you and take care.